So today we're ready for day 5. Let's open day 5. Once I've found day 5, let me look. Dang, that's well hidden. Ah, found it. That seems to be a purple ink. The wrapper is anything to go by, called Harmony. So yeah, let's open it up. So I have gotten the plastic off the bottle. I have turned on the lights of my copy stands because there's nothing to glare upon. No cardboards to glare upon, at least. So this is a standard ink. Well, I spoke too soon because it glares on this, but anyway. So yeah, I have the sheet. And let's see what happens if I swatch it first and foremost before I paint with it. This is actually not that different from Diamine's grape. I have grape and yeah, it's very, very, very similar. This is maybe a bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? A bit more royal purple, but it is very similar. If you already have grape, I personally would not bother with Harmony. So yeah. That's a bit of a miss for me because I already own grapes, so that's a sample I shall be giving to a friend. I'm gonna put this aside so it can dry, but I can already see it's super similar to grape. And I will find grape in a bit so I can swatch them on another piece of paper next to each other. But first, I am just gonna go and paint this guy. May have gone a bit overkill with the size of the brush, but got ink all over it now. This is my potion bottle ornament. I shall be back when it is dry. So whilst Harmony is drying, I have gone and found my bottle of grape. This is a full-size Diamine bottle. And then you have the tiny ink vent one next to it. And this is 80 milliliters if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it is. I had to check it. So, day 5 of the Nightmare Before Christmas calendar. See who we got. I kind of like that they're all in the right order, so to speak. Because, you know, sometimes I just don't feel like fishing for a door to open. I already have to do that with the Diamond calendar. Ah, it's Sally. Sorry, she was off screen for a second. There she is. Cute little Sally Stitches. Red hair, all the detailing in her dress. I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but yeah, here's Sally. So, my conclusion for day 5. Well, so the Sally Funko is very cute. I mean, Sally isn't my favorite character to do in a Funko, but, you know, she's still cute. Harmony, big miss, mostly because it's so similar to an ink I already have, but also it's just not an exciting shade of purple, so it's really not doing it for me. But yeah, this was day 5 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye-bye!